see it from all the way over there? Okay, now I can't see it anymore.
Is he here?
I just saw a car, but
I saw a car from all the way over there. I think I can see it now. Again. It's like a star that's over there because it was so far.
Here he is.
Huh?
Is he here?
No. No!
Papa, why are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Is Abu taking too long?
Yeah.
How long it's been?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, my goodness.
Well, you said she will get here in 30.
40?
30. You said
30.
You said 30.
Yeah.
You don't see